Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. It's Anina from the tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how to insert a picture in MS Word. But before I get the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Now let's get into the video. To insert a picture in MS Word, by going to insert. Now click on pictures. This will allow you to insert pictures from your computer. So let's say I saved my picture in downloads. Just click on insert. As you can see, your picture just appeared. You can rotate the picture. You can also resize it. So let's say I want it smaller or larger. So I want this size. So as you can see, I can now move my picture. To move that is by going to wrap text. Click on this arrow. Now click on in front of text. As you can see, I can move my picture now. Let's say you want to add like a shadow to your picture. It's by going to picture effects. I can add a shadow. You can also add a reflection, glow, etc. To add, you can also add a border. So let's say I want this border. Of course, there are different varieties of borders that you can pick from. Now let's say you want to change the color of your border. To do that is by going to picture border, and let's say I want this blue color. As you can see, the border color is changed to blue. You can also change your picture. So let's say you want to change your picture to a car. So click on this arrow. Now click on from a file. This will allow you to insert another picture from your computer and click on insert. You can also reset your picture. That means every effect that you have done to your picture will be resetted back to your normal picture. So click on this arrow and click on reset picture. As you can see, the border is now removed. You can also add color to your picture. So let's say I want this blue color. As you can see, my picture now is changed to the color blue. You can also add artistic effects. You can pick any one you want. Let's say I want this one. As you can see, my picture now has an artistic effect. I hope this helped you in many ways, and if it did, please subscribe and hit the like button. But before I go, please go subscribe to my brother's channel. It's called The Gamer. See you next time. Bye!